Hi, myself Ankita. I am working as a safety person in HCCB Aranya plant. So here I am taking care of safety. Safety, the first priority or target in our safety is zero incidents. We believe that accidents are preventable, and for this different steps are taken from our end. Our SOPs are now in SwipeGuide, and it is something which is easily accessible to every operator in the plant. Whenever they have any queries or anything related to the SOP or work instruction, this QR codes help them to assess those guidelines immediately on their workplace.
I'm Diksha Shetty. I'm heading the quality department for Aranya. So my daily task includes that every product that is being manufactured at Aranya goes to the market with its best quality standards. We operate 24/7 all 365 days. Now it's not a single person who is doing the entire process. Every shift person keeps changing. Now it is very important to standardize the process irrespective of change in person. So before we used to face that challenge because person to person implementing things, the way they understand the things used to vary. The SwipeGuide has helped us in standardizing that process and bringing that uniformity, which is not person dependent anymore. Here in Coke, every person is authorized to take decisions either in terms of safety or in terms of quality. So that empowerment is given to every person at each level to ensure that safety is each person's responsibility.
Myself Jagdish Kumar. I'm here working as a maintenance team leader from past 6 years. So my daily routine activities are minimizing the breakdown and ensuring 100% preventive maintenance in the line. It's really helpful where our teams are searching whenever they start the work. They are searching what is the interlock, where we have to use the PPEs, what are the interlocks there, what are the machine guards are there, when we are working, what are the things need to check in those areas. And now after implemented the SwipeGuide, with just one scan, we will get to know everything. So what are the machine guards are present here and what are the interlocks are there. So it is easy to minimizing our work time and work with the safety also.
I'm Rishika Datla, working as an executive in Quality Assurance Department for HCCB Aranya. So we have set up the SwipeGuide in key areas in quality, such as the hazardous chemical handling area, where we, on a day-to-day basis in quality assurance, there are some tests which we perform and we use chemicals for that. So it is important to be aware of how to go about while handling the hazardous chemicals. So it gives us a detailed instruction of how to refer the MSDS and use the appropriate PPEs while going about the analysis. So there are some instances where I might be slightly unsure of whether what I'm doing is right or not, and it may not be giving me confidence. So using SwipeGuide, we are so used to using mobile applications that we just scan it and then I have a detailed instruction. So I don't have to have that second thought in my mind of whether what I'm doing is right or not. And I can ensure that I'm confidently doing my job well without any incidents happening out of that.